Okay, y'all, so what I'm going to do first is go over my second paycheck budget for the month of August, and then we'll talk about Discover. So for the second paycheck, we have $1,515 after me sending my sister my offering money. So for Allie, we have $470 for the rent, $130 that I wanted to save, and this is where it's going. We have $70 going to the new Leo Savings Challenge, which I've already colored that in, and we have $7 going to Life's a Beach, which was the previous month savings challenge. And then we'll end up, sorry about that, we'll end up with $53 left. For Navy Federal, we have $20 going to Christmas, $1 going to savings, $59 going to Cricket, $235 for the car payment. Well, the rest of the car payment, it's at least a month ahead. We have Leaders Credit Union. We have $33. No, that is so wrong. $33 going to AT&T, $22 going to Term Life Insurance, $2 to Google, $3 to Buffer, and I only did it that way because that money was already going to that account. For Capital One, we have $227 for $127 for State Farm, and that bill is due at the end of this month. And I'll have all the cash together to pay the bill in full if I haven't already done it. Next, we have $7 for Navy Federal, $2 for YouTube, and I had $44 for Invest, but I'm not going to do that this time. For Chime, we have $63 for the electric bill that's not due until next month because we've already paid the bill for this month. So initially I would have had $297 left, but since I'm adding the $44, I have $341. So for gas, remember next weekend, which is Labor Day weekend, I'm going back home to my family reunion. And I'm just basing the $35 off how much it cost to fill up when I was previously there. So $35, which the first $35 I need to send to Discover. The other two is going to pretty much fill up and bring me back or bring us back home. Next, $36 for my medicine. And this is where everything gets a little confusing because I somewhat ran out of money, somewhat did not run out of money. I do have a hair appointment on sometime next week, I think on a Wednesday. And let me see what's actually left. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So after I subtracted everything, we officially have $200. And there's Jasmine. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just had to make sure she comes in so I can actually shut the door. So $200 left overall. Remember, we still need food because that card haven't came yet. I'm thinking it's going to come next week. And then we need $88 for dental because my appointment is on Monday and I still need that $88 to make the $488. So let's see what we can find in my binder. Okay, I am back and I do have my phone sitting on the little tripod mount thing. I know a lot of you would like me to show how to do the videos, how I have them set up. That way you can, you know, watch multiple videos. So I think I found a way to do that. So I need to get that video out. I actually need to record it. So for Navy Federal, it has $15. We're going to leave that like it is because I need to go get Travis medicine, and this is Travis money for his medicine, so we don't want to touch that. For Discover, Discover has 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, $39. And let me see, what I say, 88 minus 39. So I need $49. So since I'll have $53 left from this, I should be able to combine this, which is what I was going to put towards Discover, and the other money to make up for the $88 that I do need next week. That way I can actually go to my dentist appointment, because yeah, that's very important. And it's crazy that, like I said, I was trying to, you know, save, do the whole sinking fund thing, and I was so close to doing that. I'm not really sure what could have changed on this paper, other than me maybe going back to the budget by paycheck method. But when I calculated everything, it was only a $38 difference, which is not a big difference to make a difference. Also, let me just check one thing. I think since I have this money in the bank, and I don't want to go to the ATM machine, so I know I'm going to finish up. Let me make sure. Life's a beach. Okay, yeah. So I know I have $73 in Alley. So 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. And I believe I need $7 for that challenge, which I did wrote down. Let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be $100. But instead of me trying to take this money to the bank to deposit it, I'm going to keep this money in cash, because I do need cash when I go to the dentist. And what's left? So $200. Jasmine, what are you doing? Oh, here we go, y'all. So $200 left, and plus, shoot, $200. Girl, why are you laying on my foot? So $200. I don't know what she's doing, y'all. Can this focus? $200 plus $53 equal $253. And I just did that wrong. So I think I'm going to end up with $200 for grocery. And of course, we already talked about the gas. And the $53, which I ended up adding in, I'm going to remove it and recalculate. Let me check that now. Okay, y'all. So I did do this correctly. So for dental, I'll get the money from here. So $53 from here. And I did calculate, what is that? Calculus? Sorry, y'all. I did calculate this money, and if I counted it correct, it should be $39 or $49. And edit time. So I'll get the rest of the money for dental from savings, and I'll still have like $150 some left for grocery. And remember, we are going out of town next weekend, so I think we'll be all right. If there was anything else that I could do, y'all, look at these receipts. That's a lot of receipts. If it's anything else that I could do, or things I could have did differently, let me know down below in the comment section. What do you think about this budget? And of course, I did write it out this way versus how I normally would write it out, since some of the bills were auto deposited into where they needed to go. So thank you all so much for watching my playlist, watching my videos. I have I think as of this morning, I have 3,208 watch hours. So thank you so much. If you've made it to this video and have turned on your super thanks, your supers for YouTube, if you are monetized, I have a lot of questions about that. Let me know down below. That way I can ask some questions. Bye.